Hi, it's Chris. In this guitar lesson, we're learning No Tears Left to Cry by Ariana Grande. And if you do enjoy this lesson, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification setting. And it goes like this. It's C major twice with a down strum, G major twice with a down strum, then with F, you don't have to play a full bar chord, but if you've learned previous songs, you probably can do that. So it's F with a down, down, up, up, down. Then back to C, G, F with a down, down, up, up, down, C twice, D minor, which is 1 on the first string, 3 on the second, 2 on the third, and then an open fourth with a down, down. Then it's A minor with a down, down, up, up, down. Then we have C, down, up, down, and again, down, up. Remove your third finger, second finger up with a down strum.